morning, everyone. Aja here from Pandamonium. It is a nice, beautiful, sunny, and smoky day. Yes, I did say smoky. The smoke's still here, and I've been having a little bit of a hard time breathing. So we might be leaving today. I'm going to go see what everybody else is. I've heard that there are other people that want to leave, so I'm not sure. Let's go find out. Alright, so what's going on? What are we doing?
So we are leaving.
Okay, because the smoke's bothering you?
The smoke is getting to Scott really bad.
Okay.
Coughing, can't breathe well.
It's not really the altitude now, it's just the smoke.
Right.
Correct.
And so we're going to go down, find a place for all of us, and then we'll pin it, and we'll stay there till you guys all come down.
Well, I've got a package coming in, so I'm going to wait on my package, but I am going to go into town today, and then I guess I'm going to do 2 or 3 days at the event, and then come and meet y'all.
Awesome.
What are y'all doing?
Find a good site for all of us.
Awesome.
We are staying until we can't handle the smoke
Anymore.
Like
Okay.
last night was pretty bad. If it gets worse, then definitely we'll have to leave.
Okay.
But we're going to try to stick it out for as long as we can.
Alright, sounds good.
Definitely won't be here the full event.
No, I'm not either. Well, why don't we go somewhere else, take a break, like there's Leadville.
Yeah.
Danny was in Leadville,
I'm
and
a little iffy about Leadville.
Why?
Why don't we just go over the hill
There's
and
no
get
internet
down
up
a little
there.
lower,
We could do that.
and then you guys can all come back.
we can.
Yeah.
Why don't we do that?
But we got to
Alright.
find we're coming back where we're going to.
We'll find it on the way.
Okay.
So there's something.
No, I have to know a destination.
There's no internet up there.
Yeah, well,
Boy,
there's no internet
I don't think we
That's
should
what I-
stay up in Leadville.
I
I
don't
think we
either.
should go down a little ways.
I need to breathe. That's
Okay.
all I can.
Yeah.
And then you guys can come
Okay,
back.
just let me know.
Okay.
Moo-moo, you giving Cheslin a massage? She's like, yes.
Do Moo-moo's voice.
Oh, shoot. You can't put me on the spot.
I give you a massage.
Oh, yeah, she's
No, she's not Asian.
that's right.
Oh, you'll
Give you a
get that.
massage. How's that? Can I hit the spot?
I don't think Moo-moo's voice is that deep.
No, she's not Southern. She's from
Well, she might
Mexico.
be. I mean,
She's from South Carolina.
Wait, what was that?
no, she's from California.
She's from California.
Like this? Is that good? I could do this all day.
That's it.
That's it, yeah.
The dust storms now.
Okay.
Okay.
Pay me.
Baby.
We're going over the hill.
I'm going.
Good job, baby.
Bye. Mwah. Love you.
Love you too.
We'll see you in a few days.
All right,
A
bye.
few days, maybe
Y'all
a
be
week.
careful, okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Don't leave.
Bye.
Bye,
If
honey. We'll see you in a few days.
Okay.
I hope we all meet up somewhere out of Colorado. That's
I'm
what
sure.
I want. Out.
Yeah. Well, I've got packages. So. I decided to leave Clear Creek, but I did not want to go the way Terry and Scott and Colleen and Mick and Jimmy were going, because they were going past Leadville, and then I still have to come back for packages, because I have packages coming here at the local mailbox place. So I didn't want to go like 60 miles that way and then have to come 60 miles back this way, and then another, what is the campsite's like 20 miles. So that was just too much for me. I decided to come back here to Buena Vista, and I'm hanging out at the local park here by the river. And yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here for a little bit. So yeah, same nice park. Seth was just here, and he left because we're gonna meet down the road. I have to go to the grocery store to grab some supplies before I head back to Clear Creek. I'm probably going to stay the night in town here and then head back to Clear Creek tomorrow. Hopefully some of the smoke will have cleared up. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Well, stretchy. Yes, it is a very relaxing day. I really don't feel like doing much. I don't think Moo-moo does either. Right, well, I guess it's not going to be such a relaxing day. Like I said, Seth had already left, and I'm here at the park by myself, but I just called him on the phone, and he said, he's only like 5 miles up the road, he said he can come back and give me a jump start. I do have a battery charger, and I could just turn on my generator and charge it, but I have to replace one of the clips. One of the clips had broke off during storage. I guess it just fell off, I don't know how. But anyways, instead of putting that back on, because I don't have a replacement clip, so he's just going to come and jump me. That's really cool of him. I know. The dramas of life. She's like, what did you do? I know. Forgetful I am. Here comes Seth to the rescue, thankfully. Hey, do you have jumper cables?
Yeah, I don't know where they are.
I don't have any. Okay, it is on and running. It said it has about 2 minutes. I actually put it to my inverter and didn't turn on my generator. I forgot I could just use solar.
She owes me a beer.
A minute and 30 counting.
You can probably start it right now.
I'll wait. I'd prefer to wait. Safe than sorry.
40 seconds left.
40 seconds. Yay!
It probably wasn't that good.
Yeah, so I was just going to turn on my generator, but I forgot I have solar, and my inverter is 5,000, 10,000, so it definitely can handle this.
You need to put a switch in
Uh-huh.
so you can tap slow charge off your house pack to your vehicle.
I know, that
Or
would be
vice
nice.
versa.
I know.
All
Just
you
in
need
case.
to do is put a grounded wire in a switch, and then you turn it on when you're on the road. You turn it off. And
What
then if
what
you're
is it? So you just run positive to the positive and just run a switch?
Yep. And then you also have to make sure that the house battery is grounded to the vehicle system, which a lot of RVs aren't.
Right.
But that's easy to do. Like,
Right.
that's literally
I
just
know.
running a ground cable from
Right.
the battery to the chassis.
That might be
which-
something in the future.
Yeah,
So.
I have one on mine. It saved my ass a couple times because then in this
I don't
situation,
need you to stop using that language, sir.
in this situation, all you have to do is flip the switch, wait maybe a half an hour, and it'll have enough juice.
Right. Well, I can't believe I left it on. I was just like, I got here and I was like, okay, it's time to relax.
Your headlights are off now, right?
Yes.
You sure?
Mm-hmm,
I
positive.
don't know. I think they're coming back.
No, I cut them off. Okay, so
You
it
should
should
be
be
able to start.
done. I'm gonna try to start it. It says start your engine. Did you get my keys? They're right there.
You see this? She's a mess.
All right, fingers crossed. Yeah, there it goes.
There you go.
Thank you, Seth.
You're welcome.
I know. Definitely a lesson learned. I have to be more aware. I was coming from Clear Creek and it was a bit cloudy, so I turned my lights on like other vehicles had. And when I just got here, I totally forgot. Bye! I'll see you there. So I've made it here and I'm in the back parking lot of Love's. I'm actually just going to boondock here tonight. Probably just watch some movies, play some games, get caught up on some editing and upload because there is no internet in Clear Creek, unfortunately. So I have to keep on coming back here. It's making it a bit difficult. So I am gonna stay the night here and just relax, and I probably will stay another day tomorrow. Not sure what I'm gonna get into, but I'll go back to Clear Creek I believe around the 7th or 8th. That way it'll be closer to the time of the event. Anyways, I don't plan on staying at the event very long because Terry and Scott have already left, and also Jimmy and Mick and Colleen. So yeah, that's what my plans are. So I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound, everyone. Love you. Bye.